100 years, hunters could always depend on one brand of ammunition, Winchester. Load up with the legend, Winchester.
Olin, a world leader in the development and production of basic materials such as chlor-alkali, used as a component in the manufacturing processes of many industries. Metals, including high-purity metals such as copper and copper alloys, brass, bronze, and proprietary alloys used in electronics and coinage metal. And one of the largest manufacturers of both small-caliber military, law enforcement, and sporting ammunition, as well as industrial equipment and loads, under the world-famous Winchester brand. Winchester Industrial Equipment and Loads. Durable, versatile, efficient, cost-effective. Through more than 60 years of research, development, and performance testing, Winchester has created the most complete, comprehensive, and durable line of industrial equipment and loads in the world, specifically tailored to meet the demanding performance requirements of industry. Winchester offers two industrial tools, the Western tool and the Ring Blaster tool. Winchester Industrial 8-gauge loads deliver accuracy and maximum impact power. These precision-manufactured loads feature superior ballistics and advanced design and construction. When used together, Winchester Industrial Equipment and Loads enable you to create a highly effective impact system tailored to meet your specific needs. Let's take a quick look at the various applications for which Winchester Industrial Equipment and Loads were developed. Beginning with the removal of a ring or the accumulation of product in a common rotary kiln. In this scenario, the kiln is stopped for a few minutes while the removal of the ring or product buildup is accomplished. With kilns, an often used method of removing the ring is to open a keyway through the ring. This will allow the ring to collapse. Both nose and mud rings can be broken down in this manner. In some industries using rotary kilns, you may encounter problems in the cooler area. We recommend using the portable Western tool to get into these areas that are inaccessible to larger pieces of equipment. For example, if a mud ring forms at the feed end of the kiln, the Western tool can be taken to the area with little effort. The Ring Blaster tool is also used to remove the brick lining in kilns. By using the Ring Blaster tool, there is no need to wait for the kiln to cool. You can start removing brick at once. Rotation of the kiln can be started to run the fallen brick out of the kiln to accelerate the cooling. By the time the kiln is cool, all the brick is already down, and you can start installing new brick immediately. The savings in kiln downtime cost alone could pay for the Winchester Industrial Equipment after the first application. Electric furnace tapping is another application where Winchester Industrial Equipment and Loads are a cost-effective, highly economical, and safer alternative to drill or oxygen lance tapping methods. For starters, Winchester Industrial Equipment and special zinc slug loads will not contaminate or affect the purity of most products. Most important, the operator can be protected from splashing molten metal and ricochets by a guard shield in the front of the Ring Blaster tool. Silo cleaning is another application where Winchester Industrial Equipment and Loads can be used to knock down the buildup in the silo. By removing buildup in this manner, you provide a safe and economical alternative to manual removal of silo buildup and the hazards associated with people entering the silo. Whenever there is a bend or transition area in a preheater, there is a potential for blockage. When this blockage occurs, the preheater becomes less efficient and the blockage must be removed. Here we are using the Western Industrial tool to remove a buildup in a preheater. This method is fast, safe, and inexpensive. Downtime is avoided and production can continue. In copper smelters, clearing blockages of dross or loose refractory brick in the skim bay is also an ideal job for Winchester Industrial Equipment and Loads. In the same fashion, accretions that form in the uptake and the crossover gate areas of the copper smelters are also easily removed with the Ring Blaster tool. Power plant boilers pose special problems for cleaning and personnel. As utilities shut down their boilers for maintenance, it is necessary for them to remove the hazard of accumulated ash from the boiler tubes, nose section, from over the burner tubes, and anywhere else it may accumulate. This ash could break loose and fall on maintenance personnel in the boiler. Winchester specifically developed the Western tool and special high and low velocity number 2 and double-aught buckshot loads for this industrial use. These loads were designed to minimize the potential for damage to boiler tubes. In addition, these loads can also be used as part of the regular maintenance program to prevent excessive ash accumulation while the plant is online, thereby allowing the user to increase the time between maintenance shutdowns caused by ash accumulation. When the buildup forms at the transition areas of the cyclone dust collector, you can remove it quickly, safely, and inexpensively with the Western Industrial Equipment. You no longer need to risk damaging the cyclone dust collector with iron bars. Winchester Industrial Equipment is truly the least expensive, fastest, safest way to eliminate buildup problems in a cyclone dust collector. No matter what your operation or application, when increased personnel safety, efficiency, and economy count on Winchester Industrial Equipment and Loads, the most complete, comprehensive, and durable line of industrial equipment and loads in the world. Winchester Industrial Equipment and Loads, specifically tailored to meet the most demanding performance requirements in the industry. Yours. And if you have equipment or operations with similar but different problems to those highlighted in this video, please contact Winchester Industrial Products. We will be happy to work with you to find safe and efficient solutions to your specific situation. For more information about Winchester Industrial Products, please contact Winchester at 618-258-3344.